In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Lovable app build failed error. If your Lovable project is not building, gets stuck during deployment, shows a red error message, or fails after making changes, don't worry. This usually happens because of a broken file, missing dependency, incorrect code, failed integration, or a recent change that created a conflict inside the app. First, open your Lovable project and check the build error message carefully. Lovable usually gives you a short explanation of what went wrong, and this is the best place to start. Look for anything mentioning missing files, syntax errors, failed imports, package issues, environment variables, database problems, or deployment errors. Next, go back to the chat inside Lovable and ask it to fix the build error directly. You can type something like, "Fix the build failed error and make the app deploy successfully." If Lovable shows a specific error message, copy the full error and paste it into the chat. The more exact the error is, the easier it is for Lovable to identify the problem and repair the app. If the issue started after your last change, ask Lovable to review the most recent update. Sometimes a new feature, page, component, button, database connection, or API integration can break the build. You can say the app started failing after the last change. Review the latest update and fix anything causing the build to fail. Another common cause is broken imports. This happens when the app tries to use a component, file, or library that does not exist anymore. Ask Lovable to check all imports and remove or fix anything that is missing. This can quickly solve build errors caused by renamed files or deleted components. You should also check if the app has missing environment variables. If your app uses Supabase, Stripe, authentication, APIs, or other external services, the build may fail if the required keys are missing or incorrectly configured. Open the project settings and make sure all required environment variables are added correctly. Next, test the app in preview mode. Click through the main pages, buttons, forms, dashboards, login screens, and any important feature. If something is broken in the preview, fix that first before trying to deploy again. A working preview usually makes it easier to get a successful build. If Lovable recently added a new package or dependency, that could also cause the build to fail. Ask Lovable to check the dependencies and remove anything unnecessary or incompatible. Sometimes the fastest fix is replacing a complex library with a simpler built-in solution. If the app has database features, check your Supabase connection or backend setup. A broken table, missing column, wrong permission, or invalid query can create problems during build or runtime. Ask Lovable to verify the database schema and make sure the app is using the correct tables and fields. Another useful fix is to simplify the failing feature. If one section of the app is causing the build to break, ask Lovable to temporarily remove or rebuild that feature in a cleaner way. For example, you can say, "Rebuild the dashboard component from scratch in a simpler and stable way." If the project still fails, try restoring a previous working version if Lovable gives you access to version history. Go back to the last version that built successfully, then reapply your changes more slowly. This helps you identify exactly which update caused the problem. You can also ask Lovable to run a full project cleanup. Tell it to remove unused imports, fix TypeScript errors, clean broken components, repair routing issues, and make the app production ready. This is useful when the project has gone through many edits and the code has become messy. After Lovable applies the fixes, try building or deploying the app again. If the build succeeds, open the live app and test it like a real user. Make sure the pages load correctly, forms work, buttons respond, and any connected features like login, payments, or database actions still function properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix a Lovable app build failed error. The main steps are simple. Read the build error, paste it into Lovable, fix recent changes, check imports, review environment variables, test the preview, repair integrations, and deploy again when everything is stable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Lovable AI tools, no-code apps, and app building tutorials.